Welcome to the heart of India's manufacturing slums, where survival is a testament to human resilience. In this raw and unfiltered documentary, we invite you to explore the lives of those in these vibrant yet challenging landscapes. As we navigate the narrow alleyways and bustling workshops, you'll witness the indomitable spirit that defines this community. Despite overwhelming odds, the residents carve out lives filled with hope and determination. This opening sets the stage for a deeper exploration of survival and resilience, themes woven into the fabric of this documentary. The sights and sounds of the slum environment will unfold, offering a poignant introduction to a world often unseen. Join us as we delve into the realities faced by these individuals, shedding light on their struggles and triumphs. Through their stories, we aim to foster greater understanding and empathy for their plight. Stay with us as we transition into the daily lives of these remarkable people, where every day is a new chapter in their enduring story. From dawn till dusk, life in the slums is a relentless pursuit of survival. Amidst the bustling alleys and makeshift homes, we explore the daily routines of its resilient residents. As the sun rises, the day begins with an unwavering spirit to overcome the challenges ahead. Each morning brings new hurdles, from securing clean water to finding work in nearby factories. These are the everyday battles that define their existence. In this vibrant community, interactions are more than exchanges. They are lifelines. Neighbors rely on each other, building intricate support systems that offer hope and solidarity in a world that often overlooks them. Through shared meals and laughter, they find strength in unity, transforming adversity into camaraderie. Yet, the struggle is unyielding. The relentless noise of machinery and the suffocating air serve as constant reminders of their uphill battle. But with every obstacle faced, there is a story of triumph, a testament to their enduring resilience. As we journey further, these personal narratives illuminate the stark realities of slum life, setting the stage for deeper insights into the socio-economic challenges they confront daily. Next, we explore these struggles more closely and meet those who embody resilience in the face of adversity. Amidst the dense tapestry of India's manufacturing slums, stories of struggle and resilience unfold. Here, life's adversities are met head-on by individuals with unyielding determination. Meet Asha, a single mother who finds strength in her children's laughter despite socio-economic barriers. Her day begins before sunrise, navigating narrow lanes, juggling work, and tending to her family with unwavering resolve. Then there's Raju, a skilled craftsman whose hands weave dreams from discarded materials. His craftsmanship not only sustains his family, but also inspires hope in his community. Yet the challenges are immense. From inadequate sanitation to scarce resources, the realities are harsh, testing their endurance daily. Expert voices highlight how systemic issues compound the difficulties faced by slum dwellers. The impact of globalization and rapid industrialization is profound. Yet within this chaos, a remarkable resilience thrives. These personal stories resonate deeply, painting a vivid picture of life in the slums, where survival is both an art and a necessity. As we journey further into these narratives, we explore insights and potential solutions that might pave the way for a brighter future. In the heart of India's manufacturing slums, challenges abound, but so do insights. Experts illuminate the systemic issues perpetuating these harsh conditions, delving into socioeconomic factors that keep families trapped in poverty cycles. They highlight the lack of access to basic amenities and opportunities. Yet, within this analysis lies hope. Experts propose practical solutions that could transform lives, be it through improved infrastructure, education, or community-led initiatives. The focus shifts from merely surviving to thriving, suggesting pathways that empower individuals and uplift communities. As we listen to their perspectives, it's clear that change is possible, and with concerted efforts, these slums could become environments of growth and opportunity. This segment not only informs, but also inspires action, urging us to consider our roles in fostering change. With these insights in mind, we transition to a reflection on resilience and hope, exploring how these communities continue to strive against the odds. Join us as we delve deeper into the strength and spirit of India's manufacturing slums. As we conclude our journey through India's manufacturing slums, we reflect on the indomitable spirit of its people. Despite relentless challenges, the resilience of these communities is both inspiring and humbling. Their stories of survival echo a profound message of hope and determination. But as we admire their strength, we must also ask ourselves, what role can we play in fostering meaningful change? Each of us carries a responsibility to promote social justice and support initiatives that uplift these communities. Our documentary has shed light on the harsh realities faced by slum dwellers, yet it is only the beginning of a broader conversation. We invite you to reflect on what you've seen and consider how your actions can contribute to a brighter future. Together, we can transform empathy into action, ensuring that hope is not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality. Let us be the catalyst for change, supporting efforts that create sustainable improvements in the lives of those living in these challenging conditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May it inspire you to be an advocate for resilience and hope in all corners of the world.